This is a detailed video on how to farm X Empire. Okay, so you either click on play on the play button, but if the play button is not working, then you should click on the X Empire name, click on it. That's the easiest way to open it, and then click on open app. So that's when you are clicking on the play button and it's not opening. So you just wait for it to load. Once it loads, that is if you have already started farming it, you claim the ones that you've mined offline. So depending on the amount of coin you get per hour, you will have 3 hours if you stay offline for at least not more than 3 hours. When you come in, you claim the coins that you've mined for those 3 hours that you were offline. So but if you are offline more than 3 hours, you can only accumulate for 3 hours. So it's advisable that you log in at least before every 3 hours. But if you can't, then anytime you log in, you always claim the coin that you've mined while offline. So I'll just click on claim. All right, so click on claim to collect this. Okay, so there are two things that you take note on. Okay, that these are the ones you should concern yourself with: improve mining, friends, and quest. The very first thing you should be doing every day is the quest. Okay, so I'll show you the quest now. So if you open the quest, you'll be seeing this daily reward. Okay, so you are supposed to log in daily to claim this. Remember that the day for X Empire starts by 7 a.m. UTC. That's 7 a.m. GMT. Okay, so for instance, for Nigeria, there is GMT plus 1. It starts from 8 a.m. Okay, so from 8 a.m. the day starts counting. So after 8 a.m. you should come in to claim your daily reward. So to claim the daily reward, you just have to click on the daily reward, and then this my day 8, and then you click on and I'm to claim 181.5 million. So I'll just click on claim reward and I'll claim it. Okay, so that is what you should be doing. Remember, if you miss a day, you will start afresh. So it's advisable once you start that you don't miss a day. Now this daily, if you are just starting, there is a possibility you will not see this daily task. There are about 5 of them that you should be doing every day. Okay, so that you should be doing them every day. Once it's up to 8 a.m. that's for Nigerian, and then 7 a.m. for GMT or UTC time. This opens up for you to do it for the day. But if you are not yet up to level 3, you will probably not see this. It's from, I think, from level 3 that you start getting the daily task. So I will show you the hack to how you are going to do this. Okay, so if you are, for those that are not yet up to level 3, the first thing you should focus on is on your mining. Okay, now you should focus on just clicking this. So once you click this, you'll be getting the coins depending on your profit per tap and then on your battery capacity. Okay, so if you are just starting, the first thing you should do is to increase both your battery capacity and your profit per tap. So it's advisable. So you click on improve, and you click on improve, and then there are 4 things here. If you are just starting, you might just have like 2 or just 3, but here I have up to 4. You have personal, office, team, and mining. So what you should concern yourself first with is mining. So you click on mining. Now there are 2 things you should be increasing, is the energy and the profit. Now to increase the energy or to increase the profit per tap, now you click on this where you are seeing 24.4. It's not clickable just because I have already exhausted the limit for this level, so it can only reopen for me when I reach level 18. Okay, for you it might still be on, so you just click on it, pay the amount that you are told for the next one. As you can see, is 24.4 million that I'll have to pay for the next level. So just for you can click. So you should focus on this energy and profit per tap to increase it. So once you increase it, so that, like you can see, my profit per hour is much. Remember that what you are doing here will not increase your profit per hour, it will only increase, like the energy and the profit per tab. The energy will increase. If you come to this money, it will increase your battery capacity. Like you see my own battery capacity is now up to like 7.17 million capacity, and then you have the profit per tab is like 34,800. Okay, this means that for each tapping I do, each tapping is counted as 34.1. You see it's 34.1 once I tap one. Now this bonus, I will also talk, and you see how when I tapped, instead of 34.1 I had like 81,000. okay, now it is still on this improve. If you go to the mining, you will see bonus size. This bonus size that you are seeing here also increases the level of bonus that you will have. So instead of that 34 point something thousand, I'm now having like 81,000 as a bonus. Okay, now the extra is also there. Like for my extra, I still have I'm still free to purchase more. Okay, so this will cost me 64 million. So you just click by the side where you have the money, just click on here. As you can see, this one is 200,000. So it will go and increase my mining capacity. You see, if it's now 9 million, if I increase it again, you will see how it will keep increasing my battery capacity. Okay, I'll have to wait 1 hour before I can. And then also my profit per tap, let me show you, as it is 34,001 now. If I go to the mining and then come to this enhanced, if I come to enhanced and click on profit per tap, per 80 million, go back to mining, and you see it's no longer 34,000, it's now 35,000 because I added 1,000. So that's how you increase your battery capacity and then also your profit per tap. So you can also increase your bonus size and others, but these two are the most important for mining. Okay, then on personal, because almost everyone, both those that are starting out and those that have gone far to a higher level, we have it. So from personal, office and team, these are where you increase your profit per hour, and this is also where you increase your level. Okay, now I want to explain two things. With the one that is open, sport, nutrition and sleep is locked for me because I need to get to a certain level before it can be reopened again. Now for brain, as you can see here, for the cost of 275 million, if I click on this brand, now you see this brand will give me plus 3.something million. Now this 3.something million is going to be added to my profit per hour. So anything that you are purchasing here, so it's advisable you spend all the money you have to purchase profit per hour, to increase your profit per hour, and then also your level increase. Okay, let me give you an instance. Look at this profit per hour and look at my level. 17 is 15%. I have up to 800 million, so I can afford to get this brand. So I click on brand, click on it, and then you see my profit per hour will increase and my level has increased to 21%. Okay, so that's how you keep spending every money you have. You keep spending it on personal, office and team to increase your profit per hour. The most important thing is for you to increase your profit per hour. Okay, I can click on this critical thinking. You see my profit per hour will increase, my level will also increase. See, it's now 24%. So you keep spending every money you get, keep spending it until you reach the next level, or you finish the money you have, and then you wait, or you tap and earn more, or you wait, log in before 3 hours and claim the ones that are available onto you, and then use it also to upgrade your profit per hour and your level. Okay, so let's go straight to quest, which is another very important one. The quest. Okay, I already showed us daily reward. So one of these is, if one of the things you do every day is to improve 5 different skills. What it just means is what I already showed you in this improve. Okay, whether it's in personal, office or team, just make sure you increase at least 4-5 different things per day. Once you increase it, once you do it, you will see that this improve will be open onto you. Like I have, if I click on this, I can claim like 1.something million out of it. So I'll just click on claim. See, I've claimed it. Okay, now the other things that are remaining are tapping. Okay, now to tap, so you tap until you make at least this money. Okay, you tap until you make at least 1 point something million. Okay, so you have to tap until you make this amount of money. So I've tapped to an extent, that's why you see this level has gone here. So if I go back to mining and tap more, I think it will fill up. Let me just tap to an extent. Okay, once I do that, and then let me just go back to quest, and you see that I've tapped one. So if you tap once, if you finish your battery and you find out that it has not opened, no, don't worry, go to others and do it, and then come when your battery refills, come back and continue or finish up the tapping on. Okay, so I just click on it to claim it. All right, so now it's now on the YouTube. For each of these, click on any of the YouTube. I'll tell you how to get the code for every day. Now click on this, click on watch video. So once you click on watch video, if the video starts, you can either leave it playing or just wait for the advert to finish and then pause it first. Okay, I'll skip the survey. I'll pause the video because I want to show you. So click on the comments section. Now if you click on the comment section, look at most of the comments, the code has been dropped by someone as a code, is encoded. Okay, so if you check and you don't see it, I would just suggest that you click on newest. But for now, look at this. You see this person, he encoded this in West, so you have 22938. You can see it here. This is how so many people encode it. That's how you'll be seeing it every day. They will combine 2 and write something, 2 and write another thing, 9. The way this one writes 2 and wrote 2 in West, they usually do it so that they won't be blocked from watching this, as they are making it easier for people to just get this. Okay, so that's how you get it. So from what this person posted, the code for today is 22938. So you just come back to where you have here this 22, the code is 22938. Let's add it here. It's 22938. Now click on check code and you see it's correct. So we've gotten it. We only need the next YouTube. Click on the next YouTube, click on watch. Once it opens, you can just pause it so that we'll go to comment section again and then start looking for those encoded words. Just look for it. So if you search much and you don't see it, I would just prefer you go to what's it called, a newest. Okay, let's just search for a while and see. We are still yet to see it. Okay, yeah, we've seen one. Okay, you see how this one coded is 7A2B AC3D 7E, but those ones doesn't mean it. We are just concerned with the numbers. So the number for this is 72837. So let's come back. 72837. I'll click on the code and then have 72837. Then check code. Alright, it's correct too. So we've concluded all the daily quests for today. We completed them. So we click on this to collect our lucky boss. Click on, you've claimed it, go to lucky boss list, and then you see the first one here. We won one, so we click on it to see what is it. Open boss. Okay, yes, so what we got is 34 million coins, so we can use it for our upgrade later. So we've done the quest for today, so we'll go back. Now that's how to get this. Okay, there are 2 other quests that you should do: the Rebus of the day and the Riddle of the day. Most of the time when you go to that YouTube channel to that YouTube video to watch it, on the comment section you will see the Rebus and the Riddle, but there is an easier way to find it. Okay, now for that day, for each day that starts by 8, so at a time maybe from 11, depending on your time zone, from 11, so that's like 2 hours or 3 hours after the day the X Empire day has started. Someone must have posted it on X, that's on Twitter. So it's just best you just go to Twitter, go to Twitter. Okay, let's Twitter load, and then go to search. So if you go to search, just search for, I think I've already searched for it before now. Search X Empire Rebus. This is what you should search for. X Empire. I made a mistake here. X Empire Rebus. Just search for it, and then see the. Also check the time for the one of today. Okay, now you see this. This is the one of today. The Rebus is index, and the Riddle is tokenomics. Okay, so let's go and test it. They say the Rebus is index and the Riddle is tokenomics. So always check because this was just 3 hours ago, so it was for today. Okay, Rebus index, Riddle tokenomics. No need of even opening Rebus. Rebus should be index, so let's check index. Check answer. Yeah, it's correct, so we claim it for that day. Then the Riddle is tokenomics, as we saw there. Tokenomics, okay, it's also correct, so we claim it. So you should be, these are things that you should be doing every day. So for these other ones, it's not advisable that these other ones you can do them, yeah, but they are not really necessary. You can do register by bit, share your story, and all those ones. Invite 5 friends, invite 10 friends to claim. Okay, so you can do. Then another important thing is to connect your wallet. This make turn transaction. If I click on it, you will see make a turn transaction. But if you are not connected your wallet for the first time, you will see connect your wallet. So just click on it and connect your wallet. Don't make a turn transaction, but if you have up to 0.5 turn, you can actually make a transaction. But this is how to connect your wallet.